have the command window. This is where we put our commands. Then you have the history window. So after running your command, it is kept here in the history window. Then you have our variable window. In our variable window, in case we import any data in Stata, your variables will display in the variable window. So you'll be able to see all your variables. And then we have the properties window where you can see the name of the variable, the format of the variable, is it string, is it numeric, the label, how you labeled it, and in case it has any notes, you'll be able to see that in properties window. As you can see, you can remove these windows from display by simply clicking on close. So you have close. When you click on it, this window will go away, as you've seen. So it's our history window. When you want to bring it back, you just come here to Windows and then you click, it will come back. The same thing happens to the variable window. If you want to close it, you just click on this close button and then you'll be able to close that window. So just in case you've opened Stata and you're unable to see any of the windows, you just come here and then you click on Windows and you're able to display all the windows: the command window, the results, the history, the variable window, and the properties window. So let's see if we import some data in Stata, how it will display in the different windows. So I have my do file here, and you will learn more about do files in the coming videos. So I'm going to import using my do file. So after bringing in some data to Stata, you can see we have our results window. It is showing that I've imported. Then our variables have come here. So when I run any command, let me tab. Remember, our commands should be in small letters. Tab gender. You can see the results come here, and then my command is kept in the history window. Okay, thank you for listening. That's all for today.